In this demonstration, I will take the help of ChatGPT to write one T-SQL command. So you see, I will switch to SSMS, and what I want to do, I want to write one T-SQL command which returns me the highest salary, employee name, gender, city and department name for each department. For example, this guy Mahesh, who belongs to department number 1. Department number 1 is IT department and department number 2 is sales department. So I want who has the highest salary, the name of the person and other details of the person in IT department, and then who has the highest salary in the sales department. This is what I want to know along with the detail of the person. Here Sunita, who belongs to department number 2, she has the highest salary, and you see Mahesh also has the highest salary for department 1. But I don't want to show department 1, I want to show the name of the department which is present in another table. So obviously I have to perform some join operation as well. So I want to write the SQL command for this. But I will not write the code by myself. I will take the help of ChatGPT to write the SQL code for me. But I have to pass some information to ChatGPT. So for example, what I will pass here, I will pass the structure of these two tables. So I copy these two tables structure, and you see I will go to ChatGPT, and here I will write I have following two tables. So these are the two tables I have, which is employee table and the department table, and I put shift enter, and I have the following data of both the tables. So I will be going to give the data also. If suppose you have millions of record, or you cannot give all millions of record to it, you can give few records to ChatGPT. So what I do, I just select this, right click and copy with headers, and you see I just paste this code, and I again put shift enter, and I just copy the department code, copy with headers, and just paste the department data as well. So I have given the data and the structure of the tables. Now you see I can ask the question from ChatGPT that I want the SQL command. So I actually copy this which I have already written. So I go back to ChatGPT and paste that I want a SQL command which return the highest salary and the name of the employee and the other details along with the department name for each department. So I just hit enter. So you see it will write me the SQL command, T-SQL command, and it is better to write T-SQL. So because you see if you write T-SQL, T-SQL means it is transact SQL. Similarly, if you write PL-SQL, PL-SQL means procedural SQL. So PL-SQL works for Oracle and T-SQL works for Microsoft SQL Server. So you see, you can consider it like a SQL is general term, but T-SQL is a specific term for the Microsoft SQL Server, and PL-SQL is a specific term for Oracle. It is like a car. So car is a general term, but you have so many cars like Honda City, or you may have Suzuki Swift. So you see car is a general term, but Honda City is a product, Suzuki Swift is a product. Similarly, SQL is a general term, but T-SQL is the SQL coding for SQL Server, and PL-SQL is a SQL coding for Oracle. So that is why I will recommend you to always write T-SQL, so that it will be going to give you the SQL coding for SQL Server. So now I switch back to ChatGPT, and you see it has given me this particular script, and what I do, I just copy this script, and you see I will try to run this particular script here, and I just execute this particular script. So it has given me Sunita, which has a highest salary of 50,000, Mahesh, which has a highest salary of 30,000. So this script works fine, although it has done my task, but you see, still you have to learn the SQL coding. So how this SQL query is solved, how the joining is done, and the way the command is written is correct or not. So you should know about it. So it is not like only that, okay, it has run the command, it has given me the result, but how this command is solved, so those answers you should also know. So I have other courses which tells that how to write the SQL command from the beginning, and tricks also I have shown in one of my courses, but it is working fine for me. Or I can ask other way also, that here, like give me the T-SQL code using row number function. Okay, I want this row number or ranking function to be included in this. So it will give me different kind of SQL script now. So you see, it has also used the concept of common table expression and wrote the command. So I copy this command, and you see, I will be going to paste it. So this is the another code which it has written. If I try to select both of them, you see, I will be going to get the error. Here I am getting the incorrect syntax error with. The reason is that because here with is not the first statement. So if it is a first statement, then it will work fine. Suppose I highlight from here and execute it. Because I have highlighted this code, now with is the first statement. So you see, it is giving me the correct result. So the rule is, if you have a with statement, so the previous command should end with semicolon. Then you see, you can use both the commands together. Otherwise, with should be the first statement of the batch. So this is the rule. So I put the semicolon here in the last statement, or some people, what they do, they don't put semicolon in the last. You can put the semicolon in the beginning. So it is like the termination of the last statement and then the beginning of the new statement. So because we as a SQL guys, we don't have the habit of putting semicolon, so this is only exception. So these kind of rules I know, that is why I can easily tackle, otherwise it will be difficult. So in short, if I say that with is the initial statement of the batch, no problem, you can execute it. But if with is not the initial statement of the batch, because you have a one more command before it, so and after that with is started, so it will be going to give the error. So if you execute it, this time it gave me error. So why not ask this error from ChatGPT, and let's see what ChatGPT say. So I copy this full error, and I will be going to paste this error to ChatGPT. I got the following error. So I paste this error, and you see, so you see, it is also saying that this error occurred because it requires a semicolon. So it is actually telling me the same rule which I have explained you, that this error occur because in T-SQL, when a common table expression is used, it requires a semicolon before, if the previous statement does not already end with 1. So let's correct it. So my previous statement was not ended with semicolon, so it has put the semicolon in the beginning. So I just copy the same code, or I just put the semicolon in the beginning here, and that's it, the problem will be solved. So here you see, I just put semicolon in the beginning, and now I execute both the commands together. So both these commands have given me the same result. So in this way, you can use ChatGPT to write SQL commands, so you can take the help in writing the SQL commands.